Assalamualaikum. Let me show you how to create this cute little stylish organizer. Start by working 16 chain. Work one single crochet into second chain. Work one single crochet into each stitch across till the end. Now turn and again one single crochet into each stitch across till the end. Now again turn and do one single crochet into each stitch across till the end. Now make 12 chain. This chain stitches will serve as a loop for the flower. And now I'm going to join this 12 chain stitch. So here I'm working one single crochet to join this loop. And now I'm going to work one single crochet in each stitch across. Now one chain and cut the yarn. So now it's complete. For the flower, make a magic ring and work 5 single crochet in the magic ring. Now in the first chain, make a slip stitch, one chain and cut the yarn. And now attach brown yarn with a slip stitch in the same crochet stitch. Now make 3 chain, and now in the same stitch we are going to work 2 double crochet and 3 chain and slip stitch. Work one slip stitch in the following single crochet stitch, 3 chain, and then 2 double crochet, then 3 chain and slip stitch. Keep on repeating this pattern till the end. Now slip stitch in the first chain, now cut the yarn, pull the yarn from the back. Now the flower is ready. Now let's complete the band. Flip the flower and apply some glue. Stick the flower on the band. Now it's complete. And now I will show you how to use this band.